Atiku Isah has retracted a series of allegations against President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's son, Seyi Tinubu, which he describes as untrue and instigated. This follows Isah's claim that Seyi Tinubu and the Minister of Youth Development, Otedola, offered him a 100 million naira bribe in Lagos to promote the president, an allegation Seyi Tinubu has since denied. Recall that the controversy started when the student leader called the president's son and claimed that he rejected the bribe, stating that he could not promote the president who failed to fulfill his electoral promises. He also alleged that he was stripped naked, abducted, and assaulted on the 15th of April 2025. In a statement released on his Facebook page on Wednesday, which he tagged setting the record straight public apology to Seyi Tinubu, Isah disclosed that his earlier claims were influenced by deceitful information by Nan's president, Olusola Ladoja. Isah alleged that Ladoja, his rival, misinformed him with the intent of foiling his agenda against him. He said in a previous video he released, "On the 15th of April 2025, I was abducted, stripped naked, and thoroughly beaten up in convenience with the MD of Nigerian Television Authority (NTA). Isah said it was Ladoja who warned him in private that Tinubu's son could kill him and ordered the police to bury the case." The factional Nan's president also admitted his claims that Seyi Tinubu led talks to the venue of his inauguration is false. While this new revelation has spurred debates online, kindly drop your opinion in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply this story for more news updates. Keep watching Naija News TV.